You know, I've been asking grads for a long time now, what would you tell your 18-year-old self if you had to do it all over again? And there's about three things that always float to the top. Number one is don't try to impress anyone. Spend a lot of time and money trying to impress the peer groups that 10 years later down the road don't even remember the dumb stuff or stuff you bought or did to try to impress them. So work for you, not for anyone else. Number two, start saving and investing. The majority of people spend what they make. So start auto drafts from your checking into your savings and retirement. That way you only see what's left and can actually start accumulating some wealth and grow. Number three is don't pace yourself. Life is a sprint. You just don't know where the finish line is. If you lean back, get comfortable, life's going to pass you by. You're going to push your 5-year goals back to 10. You're going to wake up when you're 40 with nothing to show for it. Grab your goals by the horn and work yourself silly to accomplish it. And there's nothing wrong with that. Don't let your family or your friends tell you you're working too hard. Everybody at that young age, 18 to 24, should know what they're worth. You should try to push yourself to your max. That way you know where it's at and you can always back off of that. But I guess I would hate to be 40, 50 years old and never know what I could have accomplished had I put forth my 100%.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.